Katy, Texas. That's right. Because of Kelly Breland, we are able to bring Epic Open House in person for the very first time ever, where it's an event where you can sit right there inside of the conference room and learn how to put together the most amazing Epic Open House ever. Because of Kelly Breland, we're able to do this right here in Katy, Texas. That's right. I am really excited about this one. When is it going to be? On Thursday, May 16th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. We are going to have Epic Open House in person. Now, what is Epic Open House in person? So I teach a class that shows you exactly what to do every single day for 1 week, just like I've been doing for years, showing people and throwing epic open houses. It doesn't cost you any money. It's simple, it's easy to put together, but it is a step-by-step system that I will show you how at my epic open houses, I've had a minimum of 36 people show up in a 2-hour period of time and a maximum of 104 people show up in a 2-hour period of time to come to your open houses. Remember, Clive Humby said, data is the new oil way back in 2006. Let's collect as much data as we humanly possibly can. Let's find as many people that we can show homes to and sell homes and list homes for all over Katy, Texas. Now, where's it going to be? At the First American Title Insurance Company, 24275 Katy Freeway. That's Suite 120, Katy, Texas, 77494. Now, tickets are $25. There's limited seating. I think we're limited to like 30 people or something like that. Make sure that you're part of this. Make sure that from now on, you know how to throw the most epic open houses. Because up until this point, your open houses have probably just sucked. You had 3 people come through, maybe 4 if you did really good. You're having them 3 days a week, 2 days a week, for hours upon hours, and you get absolutely nothing. Let me show you how to use technology, marketing, and a system to completely fill up your epic open house every single time you throw one. Hey, I've got to thank our sponsors. Without our sponsors, none of this is possible. Now, sponsors, remember, you've got a responsibility. You've got to get this out to anyone and everyone in your database that you want to help grow their business, that you want to do more business with, that you want them to be able to say thank you for helping me grow my business this year. Michaela Brennan with Goosehead Insurance, thank you so much. Thank you as always. Thank you for always being there to help people like Kelly Breland and the realtors in that area. Tammy Coppa with HWA Home Warranty, thank you so much. Thank you for being a part of this. Thank you for putting this together. I am so looking forward to this one. This is going to be our first ever Epic Open House live with a real audience right in front, sitting right there to ask any of the questions, anything that they need. So at my Epic Open Houses, the worst one I've ever done is 36 people in a 2-hour period of time. The best I've ever done, 104 people in a 2-hour period of time coming through my open houses. I'm going to teach you how to do that. I am so grateful to Kelly Breland for putting this together and doing this live right there at her title company in Katy, Texas. Hey, I'm Johnny Fowler with AFM Mortgage. I am so looking forward to seeing you, and we'll see you soon.